Earlier in the course, we talked about evaluating a function at a point. Oh, look, I put f's, but this function is named g. I'm just going to change my function name to f and pretend that that's normal. Okay. If I wanted to find f of 3, I would use an input of 3, and everywhere I see an x, instead of x, I wouldn't write the x anymore, I'd put a 3. Are you with me? This x that's getting squared is that 3. This one is that 3. The rest are just numbers. And I can evaluate this. 3 squared is 9. So this is 3 times 9 minus 2 times 3 is 6 plus 3. So this is 27 minus 6 plus 3. 27 minus 6 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. So when I have function notation, the number inside of parentheses tells me what I'm using as my input. And then I simplify it after plugging that number in. And what I get out is my output. So f of 3 is 24. But we don't only input numbers into functions. We can input entire expressions, much to the chagrin of everybody involved. All right, so if I wanted to find f of x minus 5, I'm going to use the exact same process I did when I found f of 3, but instead of putting a 3 everywhere I had an x, I'm going to put the expression x minus 5 everywhere I had an x. So this becomes 3 times, well, there's an x, so instead of x squared, I'm going to put x minus 5 squared. Minus 2x, so minus 2. Instead of x, I'm going to replace it with the expression x minus 5 plus 3. Now I have to expand and simplify this, but that's really the gist of what I'm doing. Like, it's just that. So x plus 5 or x minus 5 squared is the same as 3 times x minus 5 times x minus 5. And I can also go through and distribute this minus 2. So minus 2x plus 10 plus 3. And I have to use the distributive property, or FOIL, in order to multiply out this expression. At first, I carry down my 3. X times x is x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x, or minus 5x. Now I distribute my minus 5 to both of my terms in the other group. Minus 5x plus 25 minus 2x plus 13. I went ahead and just added those together and combined like terms. I still need to distribute this 3 and combine like terms. I'm also going to make this as minus 10x. So I'm going to distribute my 3 to my x squared, my minus 10x, and my 25. This gives me 3x squared minus 30x plus 75 minus 2x plus 13. And I can just combine my little x terms and my number terms. And that gives me a grand total of 3x squared minus 32x plus 88. And that is the value of f of x minus 5.